Why does the world choose English? In every corner of the planet, from busy cities to small villages, people learn English. It's not just a language. It's a bridge that connects cultures, opens doors, and builds opportunities. But why English? Why not French, Spanish, or Chinese? English has become the global language because of its history, its role in technology, business, education, and culture, and its ability to bring people together. Let's explore why English is the language everyone wants to learn. A history that spread. English didn't start as a global language. Hundreds of years ago, it was spoken only in England, a small country. But history changed that. In the 17th and 18th centuries, England built a big empire, traveling to places like America, India, Australia, and Africa. They brought their language with them. People in these places learned English to trade, work, or live under English rule. Even after the empire ended, English stayed, like a seed that grew into a tree. For example, the United States, once an English colony, became a powerful country. By the 20th century, America led in movies, music, and inventions. Its power spread English further. When American soldiers helped in wars, or when Hollywood films reached theaters, English words followed. Today, countries like India and Nigeria use English as an official language because of this history. The past planted English everywhere, making it a natural choice for the world. The language of business and technology. Imagine a world without a common language for business. A Japanese company wants to sell cars to Brazil. A German scientist shares ideas with China. How do they talk? English is the answer. Most international companies use English for meetings, emails, and contracts. Big names like Apple, Toyota, and Samsung write their reports in English. If you want a job in these places, English is the key. Technology also speaks English. The Internet, born in America, uses English for most websites, apps, and coding. Words like click, download, and email are English, and everyone understands them. Programmers write software in languages like Python or Java, which use English commands. Even in non-English countries, tech workers learn English to read manuals or join global projects. Without English, the digital world would be a puzzle with missing pieces. Education and knowledge. English opens the door to learning. The best universities, Harvard, Oxford, MIT, teach in English. Their books, research, and lectures reach millions because English is shared. If you want to study medicine, engineering, or history, the top resources are often in English. Scientists write papers in English so everyone can read them, from Tokyo to Cairo. Students learn English to get scholarships or study abroad. Even in schools, English is a must. In countries like India, Singapore, or Kenya, children learn math or science in English. Why? Because it prepares them for the world. A student in Vietnam who speaks English can read books from London or watch lessons from New York. Knowledge travels fast in English, and people want to catch it. Culture that connects the world. English is the voice of global culture. Think about music. Songs by the Beatles, Beyoncé, or BTS are in English or mixed with English words. People in Brazil, Russia, or Thailand sing along, even if they don't speak the language. Movies are the same. Hollywood films like Titanic or Avengers are watched everywhere, with English words like love or hero becoming familiar. TV shows on Netflix like Stranger Things spread English slang and phrases. Social media also uses English. On Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, people post in English to reach more followers. Hashtags like #love or #travel are English, connecting users across borders. When a teenager in Mexico watches a video from an influencer in Korea, they often hear English. This culture makes English fun and exciting to learn, not just a school subject. A bridge for communication. English is like a meeting room for the world. In airports, pilots and controllers speak English, no matter where they are. Tourists use English to ask for directions in Paris or Bangkok. At international events like the Olympics or United Nations meetings, leaders talk in English to understand each other. Without a common language, these moments would be chaos. English also helps people connect personally. A student from Italy chats with a friend in Japan on a gaming app in English. A worker from the Philippines emails a client in Germany in projections of the future in English. English is the glue that holds these connections together. Easy to start, hard to master. English is not the easiest language, but it's not the hardest either. Its grammar can be tricky, with rules like I have gone versus I went. But starting is simple. Basic phrases like hello or thank you are short and useful. English uses the same alphabet as many languages, unlike Chinese or Arabic, so reading and writing are familiar for many learners. You can learn enough English in a few months to talk, then keep improving for years. This balance makes it welcoming for beginners, but rewarding for experts. English also borrows words from other languages like pizza from Italian or yoga from Hindi. This makes it feel global, not just British or American. Learners find familiar words, which helps them start fast. A tool for dreams. Finally, English is chosen because it unlocks dreams. Want to work abroad? English helps you apply. Want to travel? English guides you. Want to meet new people? English builds friendships. It's not about forgetting your own language. It's about adding a tool. A farmer in Peru can sell coffee to Europe with English. A singer in Nigeria can share songs online with English. A student in Vietnam can study abroad with English. It's a language of possibility. Some worry English pushes other languages aside, but that's not true. People still love their native tongues. English is an extra layer, like a phone that works everywhere. It doesn't replace culture, it shares it. When a Korean pop star sings in English, they bring their story to the world. So, why is English the global language? History spread it. Business and technology need it. Education and culture share it, and people use it to connect and dream. It's not perfect, but it's practical. You don't have to be fluent to start. Learn a few words, try a sentence, and watch the world open. Ask yourself, can English change my life? The answer is yes. Start today and see where it takes you.